The obstacles in our path. In ancient times, a king had a boulder placed on a roadway. Then he hid and watched to see if anyone would remove the huge rock. Some of the king's wealthiest merchants and courtiers came by and simply walked around it. Many loudly blamed the king for not keeping the roads clear, but none did anything about getting the big stone out of the way. Then a peasant came along carrying a load of vegetables. On approaching the boulder, the peasant laid down his burden and tried to move the stone to the side of the road. After much pushing and straining, he finally succeeded. As the peasant picked up his load of vegetables, he noticed a purse lying in the road where the boulder had been. The purse contained many gold coins and a note from the king indicating that the gold was for the person who removed the boulder from the roadway. The peasant learned what many others never understand. Every obstacle presents an opportunity to improve one's condition. Moral of the story: most of us perceive roadblocks as problems that hinder us from achieving our goals in life, but look at these challenges this way. They are there to help you become a better person. These challenges will lead you to success. Instead of avoiding the inevitable, face it head on. Who knows? You might find treasure underneath all your struggles, the same way the peasant found a bag of gold coins underneath the rock he just pushed out of the way. Please like, share and follow for everyday motivation. Thank you.